Hi guys, welcome to Cindy in LA. Today, I was invited to Sandro event at the Grove. And there's a VIVAIA shoes I want to introduce to you guys. I want to share some idea to complete summer style with the sandal and the flat shoes. So let's get started. So this time, I'm gonna show you the summer sandal and then summer flat shoes from VIVAIA. This time, I got green color flat shoes. Green color can be tricky, but I'm gonna show you how to style with these green shoes. Also, I'm gonna share how to style with the blue color summer sandal. This sandal is very sturdy, and I like two different color strap. This forest green color is really pretty in rear, and it's very lightweight, but you can fold it like this, very flexible. Also, it's water resistant, so you can wear on rainy day as well. It dries so fast, and it's made from recycled material, which is 6 plastic water bottle, so it's eco-friendly. So let me match VIVAIA shoes with the summer outfit. Easiest way to style with this blue sandal will be matching with the same color. For green color shoes, you can go for neutral color like this beige color dress, or match with all green color outfit like this. But it can be too matchy, so I was wearing white color bucket hat as well. For blue color sandal, you can match easily with a white color top and a white bucket hat, also blue color pants. For summer dress, you can go for this kind of geometry, but blue and white color mixed dress. For any colorful summer shoes, go for all white look. It's so easy to match with any colorful shoes. If you are interested in VIVAIA shoes, check their link from description box. And don't forget to use the promo code VLOVE for 10% off. So I was invited to Sandro event at the Grove. It was a promotional event for some influencers who can promote their new released bag. They just released Rita collection bag. First 10 people will get free bags, but I was late. Anyway, I could get ice cream at least.
So we have vanilla, mint chip, and chocolate left.
Mint chip.
Mint chip.
Yeah.
Awesome. And the spoon is right under the lid.
Okay.
Love the DJ booth. There were so many cute bags. This raffia tote bag is not too big. This quilted nylon bag comes with 4 colors. This raffia bucket bag is perfect for summer. This baguette bag comes with 4 colors, very classic style. So this is the Rita bag they were releasing, new style. It comes with 4 colors. It's pretty small size crossbody bag. This is technically clutch with a shoulder strap, chain strap. There are 2 kinds, monogram canvas and leather. Let me try it on. What do you think? So sad I missed the chance to get this bag. There were so many summery bright colors like this bag. Love the colorful embroidery. Love this gradated color, tie-dye shirts and shorts. I'm gonna try it on later. Sandro have variety of tote bag. It's pretty big size, but now they have a denim tote bag as well, and a leather one. There are white, black, and green color. I love white one. Seems like it was collaboration between the influencer Orion Carlotto and Sandro. They start to have many mini bags. I love it. Oh my gosh, I love this distressed denim bag. These metal sandals, very chic for summertime. Love this geometric pattern blue tone dress. It's very summery and lightweight. Also, I love this white color studded leather sandal. Love this cute mini bag with a chain strap. There are 4 colors. I would love to get bright colors like green or white color. Round coin purse, so cute. Now let me try on some clothes. This season you can see so many bright colors for summer and spring. You can see perfect summer color like this neon green, The top size 0 perfectly fit for me. Also pants usually I wear 38 but 36 fit well. It comes pretty much large, so you can go for your size or one size down. Love this color combination of this cardigan. There's a neon pink, neon green, neon blue, perfect for summer and spring. You can match with any jean. It's very casual but cute style. This time, I match linen skirt with a polo sweater. This polo sweater is so cute. You can just wear with a short or any jean. There's a yellow color as well. How about wearing with orange top like this? It's like almost neon orange. Very pop color, perfect summer color, but the top was very tight. Love this shirt and short set. Love this gradiated yellow and pink color together. Also, there is embroidered rhinestones all over, so it's so pretty and bling bling. But you need to take care of these rhinestones when you wash clothes. Other than that, this is perfect summer clothes. I love this color, shirts and shorts. You can wear together, you can buy separately. The top comes pretty big, so size 0 was perfectly fine with me. And the pants 34, I think it's okay, but you can go one size up. By the way, this shirt comes with 3 colors. I love this dress. There's a black color as well. This knit dress is so comfortable. There's a scalloped detail on ruffled skirt. Also, I love the length of this long sleeve and the ruffled cuff. Since it's a knit dress, it's very stretchy and comfortable, but very feminine. I love this style. Love this cardigan. There are 2 colors, black and pink. It goes well with this dress. You can wear with this kind of dress, feminine style, but you can also wear with any jean or like boyfriend jean, so it can be like more casual style. The fabric was made of viscose and polyester. It was not heavy. Love this V-neck sweater with a tweed skirt. It's like Barbie pink with blue tweed. So pretty. There's a tweed jacket as a set, but I would wear like this as a casual style. For the sweater, size 1 perfectly fit well. I love the contrasting color V-neck. It's made of wool and cashmere, so it's lightweight but warm. With pink cotigan, it's so pretty and very casual style, but girlish. Love this style together. If you wanna go a little bit formal style, you can wear as a set like this. Jacket, size 34, fit well. The skirt, I could wear 38 size because it's a little bit tight. Love the denim trimming. It makes more casual style, so I like it. There's a pocket on the side you can open. I love this blue tweed color combination. It's very fancy style but like casual. Hope you enjoyed my shopping vlog. Let me enjoy this ice cream. See you next time. Bye.